Welcome back to At Home Chef Dad. My name is Joel, and today we're making chicken marsala. So chicken marsala is just one of my favorite dishes. It's easy. I love how quickly you can make it and how delicious and comforting it really is. So here's my version of chicken marsala. Of course you need Marsala wine. This is a good one. And chicken. This is boneless, skinless chicken breast that I butterflied, or I cut very thin so it will cook quickly. I've got some mushrooms, baby bella mushrooms that I sliced, also known as cremini mushrooms. I've got some shallot and garlic, finely chopped, minced. Some lemon, just a little bit, mostly for garnish, but I will put a little bit of lemon juice into the dish, but I don't want to overpower it. And I've got some parsley. Parsley brings a little color to the dish at the end, but it also adds a really nice, fresh fragrance that goes well. Of course, some salt and pepper. I'm also going to use some chicken stock. I've got 6 ounces here, but I might put a little less. We'll see. And cream. Now today's version of my chicken marsala, I'm actually going to do this dairy-free and gluten-free. Sometimes I'll bread the chicken in flour, dust it in flour before I saute it. Today I'm not going to do that, and I'm not using heavy cream today. I'm using unsweetened coconut milk. But everything we do today, the technique, everything is the same. If you wanted to use cream, by all means use a little bit of cream at the end to finish it. It'll be just the same. So let's get started. We're going to season our chicken with some salt and pepper. We're going to saute brown in the skillet here until it's nice and golden brown, and then we're going to remove the chicken, saute the mushrooms, make the sauce, and finish and plate everything. It shouldn't take very long at all. Okay, so while this skillet heats up, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to it. A couple tablespoons. Season my chicken with some salt. And pepper. And then let this oil heat up. Looks like it's getting about there. So let's add the chicken. I'm going to go ahead and season the other side. A little salt and pepper. Let this cook for about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. So we get a nice golden brown. So I'm going to take a look and give these guys a flip. And let them go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. I'm going to get rid of these. These are dirty on my plate. I'll be right back. So I've got a clean spatula. It takes about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Getting there. Now what I'm going to do in about 30 seconds, I'm going to remove this and let it rest on a plate. And then I'm going to saute the mushrooms, the shallot, and the garlic. Add the Marsala wine, chicken stock, and the cream. And then once that reduces down, I'm going to return the chicken back to the sauce. and add the parsley and a little bit of lemon juice, and we're pretty much done. So I think that's about good. Add a little color to it. Smells great. I got my mushrooms here, 8 ounces of cremini mushrooms. Cook those in the oil, same oil I was cooking the chicken in. Might add a little more, maybe another tablespoon. A little more pepper, build that foundation of flavor throughout the dish. Salt. And I'm going to add the shallots now with the mushrooms, and I'm going to wait and add the garlic when everything is about ready. Don't want to burn the garlic. I'm going to let this go for about 3 or 4 minutes, let those mushrooms brown up a little bit. Alright, these mushrooms are starting to smell fantastic. Got some color to them. The shallots look translucent. I'm going to add the garlic. Now I think I used about 5 cloves of garlic, minced. You can definitely take that back a little bit, or you can add to it. We like garlic. I don't want to burn the garlic here. I just want to cook it for about another 30-40 seconds. Smells amazing. And then I'm going to add the Marsala. And let's see, I don't know how much I've got left. They're probably about 2-3 ounces. It smells so good. It smells great. I'm gonna add just a touch of lemon. I don't like to overpower dishes with lemon. Got a little lemon in there. Smells like most of the alcohol's burned off, so I'm going to add my chicken stock. I went ahead and added 6 ounces. Turn the heat up, bring this back to a simmer. Okay, so I got that back to a simmer, and now I'm going to add my cream. Give it a nice stir. Simmer and let it reduce or thicken up a little bit for a couple of minutes. Then I'm going to hit it with some parsley, put the chicken back in, and we'll plate it. It smells really great. It's starting to thick up a little bit. Of course, if I had used flour on the chicken or added flour to the mushrooms while they were sauteing, it would be a lot easier to thicken this up. But I chose to make this one gluten-free, and I'm going to take a little extra time to reduce it and still hopefully have a nice thick sauce at the end. But I'm going to add my chicken back to this along with the juices of the chicken. Let all these flavors come together. Parsley. I'm going to lower the heat to a simmer, and I'm going to let this go for a few more minutes. Let those flavors come and get to know each other, and then we'll plate it up. Okay, I think it's ready. Let's plate it up. Smells really good. Lemon, extra parsley, and there you have it, chicken marsala. Thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't hit it yet, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps us grow. Have a great day. Thank you.